anyu mujumbe wa kuma Thika Town, tafadhali mkaribisheni mheshimiwa Alice Wamboi Ng'ang'a. Karibu sana mheshimiwa. Karibu.
Naona ndimu rahimu ukira. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Ngeithia itu na mwaka mweru, Ngai ni mwega na hende ciothe. Wacha Bishop kwanza niseme na Madam Bishop. Bishop ni rafiki yangu sana kwa miaka mingi sana. Toko ndari akwira kire kende yuge mbere yaku na mbere ya kanitha akoragwo murata wakwa. Na njoke njuge twagire ndugu nene muno na Bishop hindi iria ndajirie kurugama ria mbere. Then I was a young girl. No aturaga njitaga young girl. Then I was a young girl. And I remember that time I did not know so much about politics. So riria kaire tukanini kaingirire siasa, siasa waba kubatithio na iundu. Waba kwirito maundu magukumakia muno. So one of the days I was told very heavy things. Na hedio Bishop ni athiaga radio ine muno. So one day when I was seated in the house, ngeigua ndeteire muno kuria mitambo ine na akiuga hedio ndakoretwo njambitio na njira nene muno atumia meguku aria marathimitwo na thuri mwathani agocwo na aria matarathimĩtwo na thuri ta Alice mwathani agocwo. So by then ona riu diari na people ne kuonania utari na people githie siasa ine ne gukorwo na thina muno ne kuonania ni wetago tumaritwa tuingi muno. But the first person who really supported me na nikyo kwiragwo hindi ria ona toe mundu ago support na njira nene muno, you never forget in your life. So when I was that down, Bishop ni athire radio ine akiuga arerirwo ni single mother and he is what he is today. Na ni ngeigua ndekirika ni moyo muno na ngemenya gutire kindu njagite na ngĩũmĩrĩria na ngĩthi na mbere, and the rest is history. Na njĩraga andũ arĩa megũkũ ona mwatwona ithuĩ single mothers o ta ũrĩa onawe kĩroko ũkĩrire wahoya Ngai akũrathime na ngari na ũngĩarathimwo na nyũmba njega na ũngĩarathimwo ciana ciĩke wega, na ithuĩ tũtarĩ athuri tũhoyaga Ngai atũrathime tũkona athuri tũgetanio nao. And we are good people, we are not bad people, we are actually very good people. Hindi ria waziri witu aranjiria muthenya wa ira Bishop ni aguthoma guku, and it is true last week I reached out to Bishop to ni murata wakwa once in a while ni ndimuhuragira thimo na ni hindi ndaririkana igogo kwari utuko na Madam Bishop, I'm very sorry wakinya no ti maundu moru twakiaragia na Bishop. I was catching up na kumuria here na actually I did not know that I was going to be here muthenya wa muthi. No hindi ria waziri aranjirire ati arathoma guku na ndiraigo nani umuthi gutire kundu ndirathiaga ndiramuna nituguthoma nake, and I am happy to be here today. Na nindakena muno ni undu wa message ya Bishop wakwa ati uyu ni mwaka wa kuohanira na ni mwaka wa thayu. And I want to say ni kuri andu makoragwo me politician and at times we talk very much, na ndirenda kuga mbere ya kigongona when the revival of this nation is coming back this year, nie ndigũtigwo nja. I will not be left behind. Na niĩ ti kwĩyugithia ndĩreyugithia Bishop ndĩ mathabahunĩ every day at 3 AM niĩ ngoragwo ndĩoni ngĩthaitha kwĩ Ngai o kũrĩa kũndwara, tondũ maũndũ macio mangĩ mothe nĩ magathira, no rĩtwa rĩa Ngai rĩtigathira. Na no tũthi kũrĩa guothe tũrĩthiaga, but me I want to say I am a woman who fears God and I love God with all my heart. Ici ingĩ ciothe cikoragwo cia siasa, no ũkoragwo wĩ wĩra o ta ũrĩa we wĩ carpenter na wĩ welder ũrutaga wĩra waku, no niĩ ndiĩrumagĩra mũndũ, niĩ njaragia maũndũ me makwa. So I am happy to be here na nĩ ndakena tũkĩaria ũhoro wa thayũ. Na Bishop, I want to tell you, ona maũndũ manyitana. Let me say that because me I like saying, ona gũthiĩ tũkorwo andũ arĩa twatembeire nao including yourself na thirikari ĩno nĩ tũkinyĩte handũ ngoro yaku ĩkaiga ndakaru. We want to say turiado, and we are going to rectify and we are going to walk with the ways of God na kuringana na aria matuthurire gikeno kiria mangiendire tukorwo tugithi nakio. Okorwo ni maundu ma SHA tutaangalia sisi kama wajumbe wa Kristo, wakisema ni mbaya tunaenda tunaangalia ni wapi pabaya, tunarekebisha tondu andu acio nio matuthurire. Okorwo ni higher education area ya ciana citũ cia university tutanamba kuma implement tugacoka tugathi tukaiga we are looking into it. Ndenda kuga nugamite haha SHA niturari na Ivasha, we discussed about it, na kuria guothe kurari na teething problem. I want to promise you all the teething problem nitura iron them out so that it can benefit you. I also want to say wewe na mwanawe university ambao wako clustered, nataka kumwambia sisi kama wajumbe, na tumeambia rais vile tuliangalia SHA na vile tunaendelea kuangalia SHA, hata maneno ya higher education tunaenda kuangalia, na kule ambao hakufanyi kazi we rectify so that our people can be happy. Nigetha mwetire thirikari ya mwasagurire. Na nikiendelea ndio nitasema Bishop, as I stand here tutaangalia hiyo maneno yote. Anything that will be coming up, we are going to be a listening government, and I want to be say as one of them I'll be listening. Na wewe ambaye umekuja priesthood siku ya leo hapa kwa bishop wetu ambao tunapenda JJ, na roho yako iwe ilikuwa inasikia uchungu mwingi sana, na unasikia uchungu mwingi sana na serikali, on behalf of this government nataka kusema mtusamehe, tutasonga mbele pamoja, atumuachi nyuma. Especially priesthood, nyinyi mlikuwa wa kwanza kutafuta hii serikali, tutiramutiga, we have to move together. Na inyuĩ andũ a priesthood gutire gote mwana na kiraĩ na maĩ, hapana, mtoto wa baki tumwage maji na tuendelee mbele, because it is a time to forgive one another. Atĩrĩrĩa wanyonirie kuhoya nĩ ndakenire, ndamenya kurehe mabataro makwa kwĩ Ngai. Ti ithuĩ kwĩ Ngai ũiguaga. Na Biblia igacoka ikaiga o Efeso ati ndukanatukithie ngoro yaku ihurite marakara. It is a high time to forgive and to move forward, because it is you wewe na people mwamenana no anga ukimuikataga ukinyaga hwaine mukohanira. Wewe na mwana mwamenana ukinyaga hwaine mukohanira. Ona ewe mwene thirikari kurikinya hwaine tumiohere na tuthonge hamwe turi othe, tondu we niwe wamiethire na ni thirikari yaku na ni wamihoeire. Kindu giothe giaciarirwo na mahoya. I tell you, whether it is marriage, whether it is children, whether it is business, anything that is birth of prayers must be sustained by prayers. Nikuonani nataka kumshukuru sana nikiwa nasimama hapa siku ya leo kusema ya kwamba sio kusema ati sisi wanasiasa ama viongozi wanga hatukosei. Pale tumekosea tuwasema pole. Na pia nyinyi ambao mlituchagua ndio tuweze kusonga mbele pamoja. Na nataka kusema nikiwa nataka kuketi chini siku ya leo, maneno ya SHA tunaangalia, maneno ya higher education tunaangalia, hata maneno ile ingine yote ambayo itakuwa ndani ya serikali tutaangalia. Ngai amwende na mwakoyo, it is the year of breakthrough, the year of increase. Ngai atwende turi othe tusonge pamoja. God bless you.
Hallelujah priesthood.